Hello friends, welcome to Developers Tube channel. My name is Ismail Saudagar and today in this video I am going to explain you about string and string methods in C Sharp. You know that string is a data type in C Sharp and it contains number of methods for performing some operations. So today we'll see it. So let's go to our topic. A string is a class in C Sharp used for storing the text. It contains number of methods for performing operations on variable of type string. A string is immutable. It means when you perform any operation on the string variable, internally one new object is created. It does not reuse the same object for performing the operation. The string objects cannot be changed. Following are generally used string methods. Contains. So string has the contains method. So when we want to get some string and we want to check that a particular substring is present in the string, then we use the contains. String.contains is a string method. This method is used to check whether the substring occurs within a given string or not. This method can give argument null exception if the substring parameter is null. If substring is not present, so in that case it gives argument null exception. The another method is dot to lower, to upper and remove. These are the methods. So first I will discuss about to lower. This is used for converting the string into small letters. To upper, this is used for converting the string into capital letters. Suppose I am having one string smile and it is in small, so it converts into capital letters. Remove, it is used for deleting the string from the existing string. If we want to remove or delete something from the string, then we can use remove method. It deletes the string in the range of start index to the end index. So we have to give start and end index for removing. Suppose my string length is 6 and I want to remove first 3 letters of the string, then I have to give 0 as a start index and 2 as a last index, because indexing start from 0 not from 1, so third will be on 2. It has two overloads. Two overload method it contains. One takes two parameter, another takes one parameter. So when it takes two parameters, so we have to mention start and an index. But when it takes one parameter, then from that particular index, it removes all the substring from that. Suppose I want to remove after third character, I have to mention two. So it will remove all the letters or characters from the third position. Replace. This method is used for replacing the character or substring from the string by another character or substring. This is a character I and I want to replace it with J. So in that case, we'll use replace method. Next method is split method. The string.split method creates an array of substring by splitting the input string based on one or more delimiters. Here delimiter is a character or word by which we want to split the string. This method is often the easiest way to separate a string on word boundaries. Starts with. This method is used for getting a word which starts with a particular alphabet or character. Suppose I want to get a word or a string which is starting from, or it checks whether a particular word is starting with the particular substring or not. If suppose it starts with that particular substring or character, then it returns it. Join. This method is used to concatenate the members of a collection or elements of the specified array using the specified separator between each member or element. To-char array. As the name indicates, this method is used to convert a string into an array of characters. Trim. This method is used for removing white spaces from the string. It removes the white space from the start or from the end of the string. Substring. This method is used to retrieve a substring from the current instance of the string. This method can be overloaded by passing the different number of parameters to it. As follows: string.substring int 32 method. This substring is taking integer parameter of type int. Another one is string.substring int 32 comma int 32 method. Means here it is taking two integer start and index. Now let us go to the Visual Studio and we'll see the example of these methods, how it works. So here you can see that I have created a project. It is a console application and name of the project is string methods. So in this string method, I have a class program.cs. And here I have taken one variable name and I have put Ismail space Saudagar name in that. And another variable address equals to Arizona, United States. So Arizona, United States, I have put into the address. Now first we'll see the dot to char array. So here I am creating one variable ARR and I am applying dot to char array to this string name dot to char array. So here when I am doing char array, so we have discussed that the dot to char array converts the string into the array of characters. So it will return array of characters. You can see array of string. Array of character is the return type here. So these array will come here into ARR and below I am doing for each loop. So this for each loop is will run from each item and I am printing that item on the console. Another method is where I am using name dot split and I am splitting the name with the white space. Means when I am doing split, so it will return two. It will return two words. Means the split. It will break it. It will return the array of string. Here the string is single full string, but when I will split it with the space, so now it will return array of two string means Smile and Saudagar will be on different indexes. So here if I want to print, I have to write here split str of 0. So in that case, it will print on the screen first Smile, and if I will use console.writeLine here, when I will do, and I will put the next index, so in the next line it will print Saudagar. So this string is splitted into array of strings and it will be printed here. Now I will run and first I will show you these two methods. So here I'm running. You can see that my initial string was hello world when I used hello comma world. So this came here. Then after that when first I have to share it again. I will share. Now on the output screen you can see that it is showing hello world. Then it is showing smile, then Saudagar. So this string has been, sorry, not hello world. We have given first name and last name. So I will go to the program. And here you can see that initially I'm printing hello world. So this is hello world directly coming. After that, this is the name and we have used dot to char array. So this converted into char array. And you can see that this character, each word of the char array, each character is printed here. Smile, then Saudagar, Saudagar. After that, we have used split method on the name variable, on the name string, and we are splitting by using the space. So this string is having space in between. So it is converted into array of string, and you can see here at 0th position in the split str array, Smile is there, and at 1 position, Saudagar is there. Close this, and I will show you next examples. Now I have created here name in uppercase, and I'm using dot to upper. So it will convert this name Smile Saudagar into uppercase letter, and I'm printing it on the screen. After that, I'm using dot to lower, and it will convert it into lowercase string, but in the start it is in the lowercase. So what I will do, instead of this dot to, I will use name in uppercase. So name in uppercase, then dot to lower. So again it will convert it into lower, and I will print here. Next one is I'm using name dot substring. So when I use name dot substring, that in that case, and I'm providing start and end index. So it will start from first position till the fourth position, because fourth will come here at 3 because index is starting from 0. So it will print 0, 1, 2, 3. So till here it will come. Smart will print. Now till here I will show you by running again. So what I'm doing here, and it's printing here. So it will wait for the read line, and till that point I will show you. I'll share again. First I need to run. Now I will show you here. You can see that when I'm till here it was the initial one, and after that when I use dot to upper, it's printing Smile Saudagar in the capital letter. After this, I have converted into lower. This is small Saudagar. So again, it is showing into small letter. Then I have used substring and 0 till 3 I have used here. I will show you in the code 0 comma 3 substring. So 0, 1, 2, 3 till m it should come. So till 3 means it will not take the fourth character, but it will take the third up to third character. So ISM it is printing, not printing A. So that fourth position will not be done, it will not be included. Only 3 characters coming here. In the next step, what I have done, you can see that now I am using where substring equals to name dot substring and I am giving the 3 as an index. So from third index, it will print all the things or a remaining string, means the remaining name in our case. So you can see that it is printing at third position, means at fourth position. Third index means fourth character of the string. So it is printing AIL, then space, then Saudagar. So from the fourth till the end, it is printing by using the substring. Now you can here I am using the trim, but in our case we don't have any space, so it will print it as it is here, trim string. So I will show you. It is coming as it is because it does not contain in the start and in the end the white space. So I will add the white space and I'll show you. You can see after AIL Saudagar, we have added the last, means the space here, but the space is not coming. It is coming again Ismail Saudagar. So by using the trim that has been removed from here, that particular space. Now we will use concatenate string, concatenate method. So for concatenating, there is no concatenate method. We can use the plus operator. So here I am taking name and I am attaching with this name the address. So in the concatenated string variable, name plus address will be printed on the screen. Next one method I am using remove. So if suppose I want to remove 0 till third character from the string. So I am using start and end index. So it will remove till third character and remaining string will be written here and I am here printing it on the screen. And I will use here console.readline again. Console.readline. Run it again. On the output screen, you can see that, and I will use this. It is removing to here. ISM is removed and it is printing mail and space and Saudagar. So 0 to 3 has been removed. Now next one is I want to check. I will show you later. I with K. Here I am using replace method. So you can see that I am trying to replace Saudagar with Khan. So it will print on the screen Smile Khan. So you can see that printing on the screen where it is this one is our concatenation example, this one is our remove example, and this is replace. So I am replacing Saudagar with Khan, so printing Smile Khan. Now in the next method is I want to take whether the particular string name contains I or not. So I'm using name dot starts with, means it is starting with I or not. If it will start with I, then it will return true or false because its return type is boolean. So if it is starting with I, it will return true. And this one is the contains method. So I'm writing here contains, and it will check for this Saudagar substring in the name string. And if it is present in this name, then it will return true. So both the return type of start with and contains is boolean. So it will return true or false. So in both the cases, true will be written because the string is starting with I. So name is starting with I, so it will return true. And this name contains Saudagar also true. So this will also be written as true. So you can see here true and true. Both are true. So this was all about string methods in C Sharp. Today it's all. And at last I want to say that thank you and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.